Yo, what's up guys? We're breaking down the Intra-African Trade Fair in Cairo, Egypt that just happened this year. We had an amazing experience. We're going to break it down, starting off with day 1 and 2, right? As we entered the fair, we had an amazing experience, man. I kid you not, from the time you left the airport to the time you arrived at the venue, which they had at the International Egyptian Conference Center, right? Everything was branded to the T, right? You can see that throughout the video. But man, this was an amazing experience. We got a chance to meet presidents, prime ministers, ministries of trade, ministries of investment. We've been able to meet so many delegates, ambassadors. We met chairmen of banks and large corporations all across the continent of Africa. And it was just a life-changing experience, man. So come ahead and join me on the ride.
Guys, we in Cairo, Egypt, at the Intra-African Trade Fair 2023, meeting with 10 states presidents, you name it, Africa's top leaders, learning how to connect and really bring this continent together. I'm excited to be here. We got a lot of great things to do today. One, I'm excited. In Cairo, Egypt, baby. Let's get it.
So we're here, guys. IATF 2023. You see it, right? So we just finished opening ceremony. There's a lot of great things going on, man. I'm excited to share with you all the great things that are getting ready to happen. But just take a look at this room. Big things going down. Big deals dropping. So stay tuned. Look at this wonderful setup. More to come.
So what is IATF? Inter-African Trade Fair, hosted by the Afrexim Bank. And who is Afrexim? Afrexim stands for the African Export-Import Bank. These individuals and this bank essentially controls all the imports and exports and help facilitate trade amongst all the different countries in the entire continent of Africa. So let me walk you through my experience. So the first few days I was there, I really wanted to just kind of get a feel of all the exhibit halls. I really wanted to kind of see who was there, who I could network with, who I could connect with. And it was very, very large, just to say. It was so many different companies, so many exhibit halls. I was like, man, how am I gonna get through this in the next 7 days? And it legit, I spent an entire day in almost each exhibit hall and didn't even make a chance to speak to everyone. So as you're walking with me through these exhibit halls, I want you to take a look at some of the setups, as some companies have very large exhibits and some have very, very simple. But the key is that this being in the room is so valuable. So many connections, so many opportunities, deals were being made just by being in the room. And as you see that, as you're going through these exhibit halls, you're making a lot of great connections, meeting a lot of good people. We had a wonderful time meeting different countries and their organizations as they came as a team, for even though they were in different industries, but all coming as a collective. And that's what I want to do as well in the future events for the United States, to be able to bring in entire section of companies that work with diaspora and want to partner with Africa. And as you can see throughout this entire conference, there's so many different variations of organizations that are there, tons of different sectors, industries, and offerings. And it's literally something for everyone. If you're looking to invest, if you're looking to have partnerships or wanting to partner with Africa, like as you can see, this is the space you need to be in, right? And we had an opportunity to be able to have fun as well. So we'll talk about that a little bit later. But in the meantime, let's take a look at all this that's going on. And just they had about 7 different exhibit halls. Along the side, they had different trade conferences, they had speakers, they had performances, just so much going on in a little bit of time. And man, 7 days seems like a lot, but for this, it wasn't. So stay tuned, there's a lot more to share. Make sure you like and follow this page to be able to stay tuned for some more we have for the rest of the week at Inter-African Trade Fair. You guys on the next video.